Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and today we are heading to the supermarket. We're going to carry you guys grocery shopping with me, and at the end I will show you guys how astronomical things have gotten. Right now I am, heading to the supermarket, not quite there yet, but I'll show you guys at the end what I get, and then I'll go through the bill and talk about the price is too damn high. Anyways, after that, Casper is here with me, and after that we're gonna go get dinner at grandma's house, at my parents' house. We're gonna get Sunday dinner, and then I have work after this. I am post call, so pardon my pop down and tennis. I just could not because I worked 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday, and then now I'm also, after this, I'm gonna head back to work and work at 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. the next morning. Correction, I worked 8 a.m. Saturday to 8 a.m. Sunday morning, and then I got a 12-hour break between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. today, and then I'm going back to work 8 p.m. tonight, which is Sunday, to tomorrow morning, Monday morning. Like, we are so short-staffed, it is astronomically terrible. Oh God, it has been a rough holiday season. I feel so behind on everything. Like, I'm not prepared for this holiday at all. I don't even think I'm not getting nothing done. I'm not even going to hide and talk. I don't get nothing done. So, anyways, let's head to the supermarket, and then I'll show you guys what I get and try to go through the bill with you afterwards. Alright, and don't forget guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. So the supermarket is playing too much copyrighted Christmas music for this good gal, so listen to my voice as I take you through what I am doing. Yes, the island girl, giving you the island girl voice. Alright, yeah, so I'll just talk you through some of the stuff that I'm doing, and then for other points you'll just hear music. Enjoy.
Eat your vegetables!
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
So guys, I just finished shopping for my grocery. I'm heading to my mother's house now before I head back home because mommy's giving me food. Mommy asked me if I wanted Sunday dinner, and I was like, hell yeah. So, well, actually, I didn't say hell yeah. I told her me, but this I'm coming for free food. Hi, because like I'm post call. I had work up until 8 a.m. this morning, and I didn't leave work till like after that. I reached home like 9:30. So I just went to sleep and did not wake up till like right before my vlog for today. Today is Sunday, December 12th, I think. So my vlog that dropped today at 2 o'clock, I woke up just in time for that to try and like promote it and stuff. So if you haven't watched it yet, go and watch that. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and join the family so that we can grow. Like, guys, let's do this. We can do this. So Casper's in the back. We're going up to mommy and grandma's house for him. Mother don't like when I call her that. But last time I went without him, which was last week, my sister asked for where was her nephew. So I'm gonna bring him for Olivia so Olivia can hang out with him. But I actually have work today again. Tonight, so I have work in like 2 hours time it's not quite 6 yet, but it's almost 6, and I have work at 8. So it won't be a long visit. Like I said, I was so tired, so I never left out as early as I could have, but you know, so it go. Alright guys, like I like looking around and see the Christmas lights, but you know, GPS has been hindering the progress because there are not as many lights up like there was when I was a child. Anyways, I'll see you in the next clip. Alright guys, so I'm home now and I have just got my groceries, so it's time for me to unpack my groceries and then I'll get ready to go to duty because work starts at 8 p.m. today. Alright, so I got paper towel, more paper towel, and more paper towel. Like living with a dog, you cannot have enough paper towels. Alright, I also got this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I'm gonna see how it works out. I don't know yet, but I'll see how it works out. I got some tea, so I can put my tea in my cabinet, my tea cabinet. You guys have seen it before. I'll fix up everything. I'm kind of in a rush because I have duty, so I'm trying to put the things that need to be refrigerated in the fridge. So I think that's in this bag, and then I will probably pack up the rest of stuff after. I don't know. We'll see. Casper is literally by my legs. Let me show you guys. There he is. Yeah. So yeah, there he is. He's literally by my feet as I'm doing this. So yeah. Movements of the people. So I got scallion local. Come Casper. Step away from the fridge. I'm just gonna put these in the fridge. Like, I'm just putting these in the fridge. My fridge is so bare. It's embarrassing. Alright? I also have eggs. Now, these eggs are really for baking because I actually, fun fact, don't eat eggs. So, when I used to buy them things here, because I don't normally eat egg. You know what, I'm going to leave them in the carton. Egg experts, tell me what to do. I think I'll leave them in the carton to give them a little cushion when I close the fridge. Well, I don't know. When I normally eat egg. So I'm going to put them right there, so. Fridge. Oh, I got fish. I got chicken. I got minced beef. All of these go in the freezer. I got shrimp. And last of the meat. Alright guys, so the battery is low, so it's been disconnecting. So far I've put in my eggs. I've put all of my vegetables down here, my lettuce, my tomato, my Irish, my scallion, my sweet pepper. They go in the bottom tray right here. I put the juice in, I put the meat in. Alright, so I'm just packing up everything in the fridge now. So cute times.
Deck the hall. la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. La 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 la.
Alright guys, so that is everything I bought from the supermarket. I'm going to go over the bill, but not right now. I'm going to go over it tomorrow because I got to get ready to go. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll go over my bill and tell you what I bought and the cost of it all. I know some of the stuff pretty expensive, but some of them I'm not going to buy them very often, and then other things I'm not gonna lie, me can't go market right about now. I'm not reach market stage yet to go shop at market because market have different price, so I just buy these things at the supermarket. Yeah, and same thing with meat shop. When I reach them levels yet, I need to start branching out soon because, you know, cost of everything is adding up. But yeah, I'm gonna head out. On call dinner. So I made it to work. Alright guys, so I am home, and as promised, let me just fix up here. As promised, I will tell you guys and go through my bill. Look at it. Like, so first of all, the total was $22,216.65. I'll convert that to US dollars for non-Jamaicans, but yeah, that's in Jamaican dollars, right? $22,216.65 in Jamaican dollars. The subtotal was $19,946.23, and then GCT, which is 15%. General consumption tax, that is GCT, was $2,270.42. Whoa, I'm a bit tired. I am so tired of the cost. Listen, I'm tired of adulting. I'm tired. Like, why am I being allowed to adult? Like, I'm just left by myself. Why? Why me? Why me? All right, let's continue. All right, so the first thing is the top. So I'll go through. I'm not going through everything. See this list? No, I'll give you through like some of the more pricey things and tell you about them. So first, I had the hand towel. Now one of them was 100 and something sheets, and that one was $337.76 plus tax. Then the high-low, which is the supermarket brand hand towel, which was large, it was a jumbo one, was $515 plus tax. Right now, as you guys saw, I picked up a little bit of a canned treat for Casper, which was $372.97 plus 97 cents plus tax, which is why it's a treat and not a regular thing. All right, the next thing is my tea. Oh my god, that box of tea is $772.95. When did it get so expensive? Like, it was, oh my god. All right, so the True Shake, which is what you guys see me drink all the time, that little shake, is $177.78. Now, my cooked shrimp was $1,400 plus tax. The orange juice that I bought, the big bottle of orange juice, was $542.21, whereas the cherry juice was $461.10. The Smirnoff was $190.14. The salmon was $2,850 plus tax. Lettuce was $169.29 plus tax. Oh no, it was tax free. Lettuce was tax free. The muffin mix was $345.26 plus tax, whereas the chocolate chip cookies was $687 plus 86 cents plus tax. Like, how do they get these prices? The cheese, the shredded cheese, was $735 plus 29 cents plus tax. The mayo was $335.34. The fish fillet was $517.92, and that was tax free. The chicken was which is chicken breast, was $1,120.85, and that was tax free. The other stir-fried chicken was $360, tax-free. The tomato was $156.22, tax-free. The Irish potato was $394.06, tax-free. The sweet pepper was $237.09, tax-free. So it seems like, well, as you guys can see, the vegetables were pretty much tax-free, as well as the chicken. The next thing, the Tasty's cheese, the cheese spread, the small one, is $313.95. Right? The barbecue sauce, the Country Delight one, which is the local brand, is $264.08, whereas the open pit, which is the foreign one, is $404.93. Cantaloupe was $317.25. Scallion was $170.50. Sweet potato was $149.04. Let me see what else was like a big. And then like I got some snacks like a Ruffles. The Frito-Lay Ruffles was like $93.45, whereas the Lay's was like $103.95. But the National Sweet and Salty Popcorn was $50 plus tax. The greens, the holiday greens, herb chips is $75.97 GCT. What else? Mustard was $267.61 plus tax. And the Aunt Jemima, the pancake syrup, which will last me a while, because I'm not eating pancakes every day, was $554.98 plus tax. The Rum Bar Rum Tree was $331.27 plus tax. And the list goes on. See this? See this? Now, I mind you, quite a few of these things I didn't need. Some of it are just like personal treats for either me or Casper and Jay, because what you guys may not have seen is that, or you guys may not know this, I actually have two dogs. I have Casper, who lives with me, and I have Jane, who is the dog who lives at home with my parents. She's too big for an apartment, so she stays home with my parents, and so I knew I was going up there, so I bought her a can of the meat thing as well as Casper, so I gave both of them. So that's multiply whatever that $300 and something times 2. Boy, no, things are pricey. And like I said, I know that probably, possibly, likely, if I go to market, I can get my vegetables for a lot cheaper. But like I said, one, I don't have the time to go to the market, and two, I don't know how, if I don't know, I may not fit in, and they might overprice me or hear me speak and want to overcharge me, because you can't go to certain places, and if they think say something to uptown or midtown, then them overcharge you and overprice you, have to go down with your behavior. And I'm like, just sell the things. Just sell the things. It shouldn't be your price, my price. Just sell the things. If you're going to set your price, set your price. I will either buy it or don't. You know what I mean? Anyways, but that's how the market world is, and you can bargain up, bargain down the prices, which has always been the trend. But for me, I just like the good standard. I know say it is way that the supermarket, this is them price, this is how much I'm charging for, and you just take up what you want, and that's just it. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Now you guys know say girl is spending money, too much money. Now it's to actually cook all of this food and eat it, and don't let my money go to waste. Lord help me. Alright guys, because that is the next thing you know, you go supermarket, you buy things, and then at the same time, because you're tired or you're lazy or you just don't feel like it, you do cook. The things them spoil, you still buy food out the road. So that is my challenge right about now. Make sure I reduce the amount of money I'm spending so that I can eat my food, cook the food that I bought, because I bought stuff that I like to eat. So now I need to cook it, right? So thank you all for watching this video. Hope it was a little bit of an eye-opener for those of you who don't live in Jamaica. And I hear that Hilo is one of the more expensive supermarkets. That's what most people tell me. Like, it's a lot cheaper, but it's also more convenient. And for me, it's 6 or 1/2 dozen the other, because the time I spend driving up and down, going to cheaper supermarket or go downtown or other things, I'm going to be spending in gas. And gas prices are compete with food prices. So convenience to me. It is convenient to me, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys would just watch the videos, run the playlist, even to run it in the background and, you know, mute me, run the playlist, get me those watch hours, I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. and subscribe. Until next time, peace.